Hello, my name is Annie.
Hi, my name is Nuksh.
Nice to meet you.
I like this toy.
It is very popular.
I will take it.
Hello, doctor.
Hello. How are you today?
I am fine.
Hello, can I borrow this book?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Where is the museum? It is down the street. Thank you.
Would you like to play? Yes, let's play. Great!
I would like one ticket, please.
Sure. Here is your ticket.
Thank you.
Can I buy this milk?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. Does this bus go to the park?
Yes, it does.
Great, thank you.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.